Hello, I'm Joe White, a portfolio manager and advisor at Johnson Investment Counsel. I hold both the Chartered Financial Analyst and Certified Financial Planner designations. My role is to take a holistic view of each client's financial life, whether it's retirement, tax, estate, or investment planning. I help identify challenges, uncover opportunities, put a clear plan in place, and adjust that plan as life evolves. In short, I guide, coach, and support clients through the many phases of life, helping them navigate both the financial decisions in front of them and the ones they may not see coming. At Johnson, our mission is to provide financial peace of mind. Often, we're called to deliver on that mission during our clients' most difficult moments. Many of the families I work with have experienced the loss of a spouse through death or divorce, and we see it as a privilege to walk alongside them during such times of deep need. This content series was created with that purpose in mind. Our hope is to offer guidance and reassurance to those navigating profound loss and change when peace of mind matters most.